As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out on the washing machine, in the washing machine, until it's just damp. So to start with, this is already flipped inside out since this is going to be ice dyed, and I'm just going to take either corner from the shoulder and from the corner, the bottom, give that a shake, and then we'll make sure that smooths out. Alright, I'm going to come up roughly the width of this, maybe a little less, up to where the tip of the marker is, and just basically follow that along. And then I'm just going to accordion fold along this. The starting one's going to be a little difficult here because of the angle. So I'm going to start up a little higher, and then we'll come back to that. Okay. See, I think I'm out of all the little tiny rubber bands. There's one. Grab that real quick to hold this in place because of that little bit there. Grab some sinew. Fix this here so that this is all straight. Out 4 inches. Go and do that real quick. Right, then I'm going to back this off at 1 inch intervals, and I'll just eyeball the actual placement. Do this, and I catch just the very edge of that. Pull that in, hopefully without it slipping off too bad. I'm going to come in here at an angle. And then back over here at an angle. And actually come back here a couple of times, and that's just so that I'm sure the wax is going to stick. Just put a rough line of where I want to stop on here. And then I'll go ahead and scrunch all this up. Alright, that is quick and easy. Off to dye. Alright, put this in an aluminum boat so that it doesn't go through and turns into a muck dye. Colors I'm using are Scarlet, Orange Crush, Daffodil, Bright Green, Cerulean Blue, and Power Berry. And that will be a zigzag over here. And then for this, I will use Timberwolf, and all the previous are from Dharma. And Kinda Crappy Black, which was a limited edition from Grateful Dyes a while back. I don't think they have it available anymore. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let that melt through. And most likely I'm going to come back with Timberwolf for the, what is it, kind of crappy black, make a liquid, and use that in here, but we'll see how it looks after the first pass. Okay, it's melted through, and I completely forgot about it, so it's been a while. Let's go ahead and put on some extra soda ash, add another layer of ice, and I think I'm going to add one more color. So I was going back and forth between maybe Mist Gray and Ecru. Well, let's see. There we go. So I think I'm going to go with the Ecru. Basically just a light dusting to add some other highlights of colors. And then I'll go ahead and ice this all down again. Alright, let that melt through. Let it sit for at least 12 hours after this melts through. And then we'll do the washout. Alright, it is time to do the washout. Alright. So I'll throw that in the washer and we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the front. Here's the back. Alright, my thoughts on this. Overall, I think it looks pretty good. I'd probably go with the more narrow band if I did it again and let the black encroach more. I think it would look better. This is probably going to be the last of the sashes for a while. So what do you think? If you have any suggestions or you want me to do more sashes, let me know what you're looking for down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.